Latest tonight in the case of missing almost park mom Suzanne Simpson. Brad Simpson, Suzanne's husband, making his first court appearance since his arrest in connection to her disappearance. Brad indicted on several charges including murder, tampering with evidence, and tampering with a corpse. His court appearance was brief. No action was taken on his pending felony cases. Today marked the first time his brother Bart has seen him since his arrest. His brother tells us Brad is certainly not the same person he grew up with, and seeing him today made him sad.
There's grace for everybody, but you have to be honest. To achieve grace, you have to come clean. And that's my hope for my brother, that he wants grace. And I'm talking spiritual grace, but he's not going to achieve that unless he's honest, unless he confesses and tells us what he's done.
The judge is scheduled to hear a motion to amend Simpson's pretrial conditions on December 19th. Brad is asking to be able to speak to his children since a condition of his detention currently prohibits him from having contact with his kids. And that feeling is mutual, at least for the couple's 15-year-old son. A caseworker for the two minor Simpson children told a judge in a Child Protective Services hearing today that the child is asking to have contact with his dad. Fox SA's Yami Virhan was in Brad's second court hearing where he pleaded the fifth when asked about his missing wife.
So after this morning's criminal proceedings, it was an afternoon hearing, a status hearing of 60 days for the two youngest Simpson children. Now, Brad Simpson was in court via Zoom when he was asked many questions, to which his lawyer told him to invoke his Fifth Amendment right to not incriminate himself. Now, we are going to talk to you a little bit to civil and family attorney Miguel Ortiz, who was in court today. And Miguel, explain to us why mom had an attorney in court even though Mr. Simpson has been charged with murder.
In the civil side, when it comes to deal with children and custody and termination of parental rights of any proceeding affecting the children, and one of the parents are not present or cannot be located, then the court appoints an attorney who has the duties to make any attempts to locate that one parent in regards to the civil proceedings. So that's why today and prior settings, there was an attorney appointed, the co-attorney ad litem, to look for the mom.
And it just seemed a little incredulous to all of us that were sitting in there, just kind of going, she has an attorney and he has been charged with her murder. What happens if she's not found, which right now on the criminal side they're saying that he killed her?
Well, at the end, under the final hearing, then that attorney will report to the court all steps taken to trying to locate the mother in order to make decisions regarding the children, custody, parental rights, possession and access, and everything else that goes affecting the children.
All right, well, and we'll be back in court, the judge said, for another hearing coming up in April of next year. Reporting from downtown, Yami Virgen, Fox SA.